The legend is back. The Ford Galaxie is back, and making a splash in 2025. What happens when you combine the nostalgia of a 60s sports car with cutting-edge technology? Let's dive into the all-new 2025 Ford Galaxie. You won't believe how far this classic has come. A flashback to the 60s. Let's turn back time a bit. The Ford Galaxie was first introduced in the late 1950s, with its golden years in the 60s. It was a symbol of American power and style, known for its powerful V8 engine and sleek design. From roaring down the highway to dominating the racetrack, the Galaxie was a car that epitomized performance and presence. It even won a NASCAR championship in its day. Fast forward to 2025, and Ford has decided to pay homage to that legacy by bringing the Galaxie name back into the spotlight, but this time, with a modern twist. Old soul, new skin. The 2025 Ford Galaxie takes design cues from its predecessor, but it's not just a retro-styled remake. Ford has combined the car's iconic muscular body with futuristic, aerodynamic lines. The bold front grille and LED headlights harken back to the signature look of the Galaxie, but now come with a sleek, modern update. Sharp creases and a sculpted hood give it an aggressive stance, while chrome accents nod to its classic roots. Plus, with 20-inch alloy wheels and a low profile, the 2025 Galaxie is more than ready to turn heads on city streets and highways. Power meets efficiency. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Ford Galaxie offers two powertrain options. For those who want to experience that old-school power, there's a 5.0L V8 engine that produces 450 horsepower, taking you from 0 to 60 in under 4.5 seconds. But Ford is also looking to the future, and for those who care about the environment, there's a hybrid option. The twin-turbocharged 3.5L V6 hybrid engine delivers impressive performance, with 400 horsepower and additional electric power for quicker acceleration and better fuel efficiency. It's a perfect blend of the past and the future. Classic meets modern controls. What about the driving? The 2025 Galaxie combines the thrill of a sports car with the precision of modern engineering. An adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride even on rough roads, while advanced driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system make driving easy and safe. Whether you're looking to reminisce about the past or drive into the future, the Galaxie handles exceptionally well. So there you have it, the 2025 Ford Galaxie, a blend of classic American power and the future. From its eye-catching design to its high-tech interior and powerful engine options, this car is ready to make history again. Whether you're a fan of the original Galaxie or new to the Galaxie legacy, this is a car you don't want to miss. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. And let us know in the comments, are you excited to try out this new Galaxie? Thanks for watching, and see you next time for more great car content.